Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. They've got for you Triumph Explorer XC Globebuster. Never seen one in the matte black. They do them, an official model, but I've only ever seen them in the orange. And this one's got a host of extras which came as part of the special edition. So it's got the big engine bars down there, it's got the off-road pegs, it's got the Triumph luggage, it's got the black one here, and then the Givi Trekker top box on there as well. You also got a bigger touring screen and the headlight guard and the exclusive paint job when it says Globebuster along here. You get the usual refinements, so you've got spotlights, you've got heated grips, you've got heated seats, and you've also got cruise control on here as well. Absolutely awesome bike, really are cool. In the matte black it looks absolutely brilliant as well. Comes with a sat nav on there as well, the Garmin Zumo SAT NAV. It is heated. Yeah, heated rider's seat it's got on it. So it's done 14,223 miles. And it's a 2015 on a 15 plate, and it's got your Garmin Zumo SAT NAV up there. ABS. And then your controls down here for your grips and so on. Cracking bike, we'll give it a start for you. Fantastic triple engine, bags of power, shaft drive, literally going to take you around the world. So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.